The subject of this video is troubleshooting Teams performance problems. I'll give you a few areas to look at, and it's kind of like peeling back the layers of the onion. There's multiple areas you have to look at. So let's start off with the PC. So PCs, there can be a few problems. There can be RAM cram. There could be unhealthy applications, network problems. People sometimes have many spreadsheets open or documents open. The laptop may be old, it needs an upgrade, but focus on RAM cram, number of apps open, also agents that are running on a laptop that may be blocking application execution. Next thing to focus on is the connection speed. People are working from everywhere these days, from a Starbucks, a Dunkin' Donuts, to a mall, to home, to an office. So running the speed test will really give you a sense of bandwidth, latency, and jitter. So Teams is very sensitive to latency. There are specs. I believe it's 100 milliseconds is the max. So if you're seeing problems with video conferencing, the distorted voices, the dropping, that's probably a sign there's some network problems. But there's so much tech in between the laptop and your corporate office that you really have to focus on the different areas and then work with your network team to monitor the devices. So what is the latency in the from the device to Microsoft? Is there a network problem between your corporation's network and the pipe going to the Microsoft data center? Do you have devices that are queuing? So maybe you have devices that are queuing traffic because they can't process the load. That's something you may have to look at. Or it's a person's remote network connection. Their provider and their modem just can't keep up. Or the neighborhood they're in is old or congested because everyone's watching Netflix and playing on their PS5. So remember, peeling back the layers of the onion. Don't get too focused on one particular area. You've got to look at the laptop, the network performance at the device. You've got to look at your network devices. You've got to run traces to make sure that you can see that you're within spec on the network requirements. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.